Hey you guys, in this Instagram tutorial I want to go show you how you can get the red silhouette effect on Instagram. Let's go. First go open Instagram and there you go and hit the plus sign to go and create a story. Then you swipe all the way to the left, well to the right, to browser effects. Click on that and type on the top, search red. R-E-D. When you got that, scroll down to the red effect from Session 1. Then go hit try it. Just wait a second and you will see it's turn to red and black filter. And now you can switch the camera. And you have this silhouette red black effect. And yeah, so to get the effect, you just need to have the light behind you. For me, it's not the perfect right now, but I think it's okay. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I hope it helped you. And check out my YouTube channel, CathyDirector. I have lots of tutorials, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, everything. Just check it out and leave a like on this video and comment down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye bye.